I'm going to talk in the shed because I've got engines running outside, so you won't hear me if I out there. So I changed the primer on a chainsaw Oscarana, and that's mice, or that stuff is, and that's what they do. So that is running now. It hasn't been over a year, it has not been started, so what I've done, put chainsaw oil in it and topped it up with petrol to get rid of the old petrol. Right, I'm going to talk about British Flat Engine now, what I converted. So I took the point system off here, then put electronic ignition on it. It has a petrol leak, so I put about 3 or 4 gaskets on. But now that's running out there. The under engine is running. I'm going to change the drain the oil, then take the engine off and then put it on the shelf.